Hello and welcome to the section 4 of the course Analyze IPv4 and IPv6 traffic. Now in this section we are going to take a look at a couple of points. We are going to analyze IPv4 and IPv6. Let's start with the video IPv4 and IPv6 overview. Now in this video we are going to take a look at a couple of points. So we are going to learn the basics of IPv4 and IPv6. So guys, we are learning about IPv4, which is Internet Protocol version 4. So you can read here, the Internet Protocol provides the network layer, which is layer 3, transport functionality in the Internet Protocol family. What is the use of IPv4? So the use of IPv4 to transfer the packets from one IP address to other IP address. The user of this layer will give a packet and a remote IP address, and IP is responsible to transfer the packet from that particular host to the other host. So IP will hopefully guide the packet the right way to the remote host. This is the use of IPv4. Transfer packet from one machine to another machine. Now it doesn't provide any mechanism to detect packet loss or duplicate packets. So IP uses Internet Control Message Protocol ICMP to transfer control messages to remote host, such as please don't send me more IP packets, I'm completely full. So it uses TCP, Transmission Control Protocol, or user datagram protocol. So generally you will get the IPv4 traffic in your network. Now if we talk about the display filter, so if you want to show the IPv4 based traffic, so you can use IP in display filter to sort it. Show only IP based traffic from host 192.168.0.10. So you can provide IP.ADDR and then the IP address. These are the display filters are available. Now if we talk about the capture filter, so capture IPv4 based traffic only. So again, in capture filter you can use IP. Or if you want to provide the host IP, so you can provide a host and space machine IP address. So that's how you can provide display and capture filter for IPv4. Now let's talk about IPv6. What is IPv6 and why we need it? So IPv6 Internet Protocol version 6, updated version of IP. IPv6 is the next generation protocol designed by the IETF to replace the current version, which is IPv4. Now, why we need IPv6? Because we have more users, we have billions of users now. Obviously we need IPv6, we need more range of IP addresses. That's why IPv6 is necessary. So you can see here, consequently the design of IPv6 was an opportunistic way to improve the internet, and with the new benefits such as expanded addressing capabilities, you can expand users and accordingly you can expand the IP address, serverless auto configuration, plug and play and reconfiguration. It is more efficient and robust, obviously end-to-end security, it is more secure, streamlined header format and flow identification, enhanced support, extensibility, improved support for the options and extensions are available here. So you can see the history of IPv6. So the history of IPv6 started in 94 and 95. Now how you can filter the IPv6 traffic? It's very simple. If we talk about the display filter, so in Wireshark you can use IPv6 in display filter to sort the IPv6 traffic. If we talk about the capture filter, so you can use IP6 in capture filter, not IPv6, only IP6 to simply capture the IPv6 traffic inside Wireshark. So this is the basic difference between IPv4 and IPv6, and you have learned about display and capture filters.